How to see your Messenger password. In this video, I will show you how can you easily see password to your Messenger account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to any of your web browser. Here I'm using Chrome. Then after click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on settings. Now in basic section go to password manager. After that you will see a lot of applications where your password has been saved as you used Chrome browser to log in into those accounts. So simply search for Messenger application. As I have not used Chrome browser in my device to log in into my Messenger account, so I'm not able to find Messenger in the list. If you have used it, simply type Messenger and you will see the password list. And that's it. That is how easily you can see your Messenger password. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.